you. Okay, now this next one is called Home Sweet Home, and it's about refugees. And this is actually going to be released sometime in like the new year, I think, sometime around January. I don't know an exact date, but it's around that kind of time. And if you like this song and when it's released, it is available to buy on Bandcamp, and 50% of those profits from Bandcamp will go to the Gaza Emergency Appeal. So, yeah, I hope you all enjoy this one. Thank you. This is Home Sweet Home.
Curtains are kept drawn to keep it dark. Huddled in a corner, the family sits, trembling in terror, waiting for life to call it quits. The gun is fired, a warning of strife. The children grab their favorite toys and then they run for their life. Turning off despair, fighting through the wild, desperate to find a safe somewhere. Oh no, 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 the cracks and the crumbles of this road. The only thing they're looking for is a sweet home, sweet home, home, sweet home, home to find them, sweet home. Capsizing boats an inch far. The icy choppy waves, tempted to eat us up. Frostbite on our bones, teeth chattering in the wind. A baby crying for their mom, but she died in human sin. Oh, a journey of despair, fighting through the wild, desperate to find a safe somewhere. Oh no, 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 the cracks and the this road. The only thing they're looking for is a sweet home, sweet home, home, sweet home. Letting go, watery spirits trying to find a ray of sunshine. Move on, home to find them, sweet home. And when I say home, I mean a place of belonging, where they won't get kicked out or forced to start running, 'cause boy, they've done some running. Just a place that is safe, where they can be at peace at the end of the chase, where they can release. Please let them release. Turning off despair, fighting through the wild, desperate to find a safe somewhere.